Hello everyone! For our next hairdo, start off by taking two sections of the hair from the front. Tie a rubber band at the back and then twist the hair in on itself. Then at the bottom, add a rubber band and make a low ponytail out of it. Then divide the hair into three portions and then begin to braid this hair. But braid each section of this hair. So first take the first division and then make a normal braid out of it. Do the same on the right division but keep the center division normal and then roll it up in order to form a bun. Add a clip. For our next hairdo, start off by taking two sections of the hair from the front of the head. Then take two more sections and include it into the hair. Make a braid out of this. As you progress, keep adding sections of the hair from the left and the right side of the head. Include these sections into your braid. This is what it should look like. Take a small section of the hair and then continue to braid it, and then take the other section that you have already included, take a small portion from that and bring it to the side. As you go down, the volume of your hair will keep increasing according to this hairstyle. Once you reach the bottom of the hair, you may normally braid the hair. Then add a decorative rubber band to the base, or even a clip works. For our next hairdo, start off by taking two sections of the hair from the front, tie it up at the back. Then add a rubber band to the middle and twist the hair in on itself. Once you are done with this, put the hair through the top twist. You may comb it in order to make it neater. Then make two divisions in the hair. Start off by twisting both of these divisions together, one into the other. Once you are done twisting the hair, roll it up in order to form a bun. Fasten it in place using some bobby pins. Once you are done with your bun and adjusting of the bun, then you may add some decorative clips. We have chosen to use some purple flowers in order to decorate our hairstyle. This is what it looks like. For our next hairdo, leave out a section of the hair from the right side. Then make a low ponytail out of the rest of the hair. After this, make a division in the bottom and then roll the hair upwards in order to form a bun. Using a 4-pronged pin or anything above that, you may tie up the hair and fasten it in its place. Now, taking the right side section of the hair that we had initially left out, start off by braiding the hair normally. Now, once you reach the bottom, you may loosen out some strands of the hair of the braid by using your fingers. Wrap this around the bun that you have initially created and then put it in its place by using bobby pins. Once you are done, you may use some decorative clips. For our next hairdo, take two sections of the hair from the front. Now join them together at the back and then twist the left side first and then twist the right side. After this, we will be making a braid. So this will be a sort of French braid. Start off by twisting portions of the hair and then adding sections from either the right side or the left side into the braid. Do this until you reach the base of the scalp, and once you are done with the sections of the hair, you may normally braid the hair. In this case, however, we are doing a fishtail braid. Now, start off by tying a ponytail at the top and then make a division in the ponytail at the scalp and then pull the hair through as such. Pull it all the way through and then tighten it. This should make your ponytail stand up. Once you are done with this, comb the hair in place. Then take a rubber band and then tie it up at the middle of the hair. Now, once you are done with this, roll the hair over and then make a bun-like shape. Then, using a decorative 4-prong clip, you may fasten the bun in its place. This is what it should look like. For our next hairstyle, start off by taking two sections of the hair from the front, tying it up at the back and then twisting it in on itself. Now form three divisions in the hair and begin to braid the hair at the bottom. Once you are done braiding the entire hair, roll it upwards in order to make a bun-like shape. Once you are done with this, in order to fasten it in its place, add some bobby pin. You may add some colorful clips in order to make it look all the more better. Thank you for watching.